Morning. It's cold. Yeah, it's that cold. So these are yesterday's gatherings, and as you can see, it's frozen. But when you look at the rest of it, you can see that there's no ice whatsoever. And for those of you who don't know why, that's because when shit ferments, it gets really hot, so it won't freeze. Unlike this, which is very much frozen. As if opening the gates wasn't pain enough, I have to scratch the ice off of my seat of the Ranger as well. Because I don't really like ice melting in my pants as I go on with my day. Those of you who are now wondering how we keep the horse's water from freezing over, this is a de-icer. And you put it in the water and you plug it in so it will keep the water from freezing. It's technically a heater. The goats also have one of those, but they like to play with it. What are you doing? Naughty stuff. I see. Guilty as charged. After chores, it was time to warm up and have some super healthy breakfast. Of course, when you get back home, there's a board down because some horse had an itchy arse. So let's do something about that. Look at that, it repaired itself magically. Please, Andy. Please. Dude. At this point, we have 5 minutes left until the instructor arrives. And Andy decides to peacefully turn around one more time to continue his nap. Come! Andy, come! Get up! Andy! Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to write you like this, hey? Thank goodness that worked. Come on, bud. After his training, he got to go on a play date with Ransom. The two don't know each other that well because Ransom's relatively new to the barn. And the plan is to integrate Ransom into the herd so that he can have some buddies. Next time I will show you the whole process of integrating Ransom into the herd. So keep watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!